The OLIGHT Obulb Plus is what we will be looking at here. We'll do an unboxing. We'll show you the stats and runtime, and we're also going to compare it with a previous bulb that we reviewed, the Obulb Pro S. Now, the Obulb Pro S is a smaller bulb from OLIGHT. It retails for $39.99. I did get my Obulb Pro S on a flash sale, so I paid $29.98. And the Obulb Plus retails for $69.99. And I got mine on a sale for $45.45. So here is the unboxing of the Obulb Plus. And just like the Obulb Pro S, the Obulb Plus has all the modes. It uses the app on your phone, just like the Pro S. It's just a larger, brighter light. So here is some, I don't know, instructions of some sort. We don't need those. And just like the Pro S, the Plus comes wrapped in this large round sock. And it has a similar functionality where you tap the top of the light, or as I said, you can use the application. It has tons of colors and a variable brightness setting, and the music mode, which allows it to, as long as you give the application permission to listen to your microphone on your phone, then the bulb will flash and change colors and react to the beat of the music that you're playing. It is charged, of course, with OLIGHT's proprietary magnetic disc. Here are some instruction manuals, which I will never read. The proprietary magnetic disc, I always prefer USB-Cs, but in this case, this is a waterproof light. And it also comes with the thick shield-shaped metal magnet piece. It has adhesive on one side, and the other side will latch on to the bottom of the Obulb and allow you to stick the shield piece somewhere and hold the Obulb. It's a fairly strong magnet. I mean, you can shake it off if you want to. Of course, I've still got the sock on the bulb, so that's not going to help it any. You can see even the magnets on the disc of their charging port. Even with the sock on, you know, it's a strong enough magnet that it will snap right onto the bulb as soon as it gets close. Oh, it's going to roll away there. Here we go. So this is with the sock on. So you can kind of see it is a good proprietary connection. I just always prefer the USB-Cs because I have so many of them already. And I always worry that if something breaks, and then I've got some proprietary component that I have to get. But in my case, I've got enough of these OLIGHTs. I've got these magnetic things floating around everywhere now anyway. So here is the bulb. It's got the gold trim on it. As you can see, very magnetic. And you punch the top with your finger, or don't punch it, just push it, tap it. And that works it. Doesn't seem to unscrew or anything. It is watertight. And you know, it comes on by tapping on the top. Of course, this one we haven't charged up or anything yet. We're just getting it out of the box. I've got a $2 bill and a coin there for size reference, and we will be showing this against the Obulb Pro S for size reference. And here is the app for your phone for either the Apple Play Store or the Google Play Store. You notice that this is the OLIGHT Hub. You want to make sure when you download the app that you get the OLIGHT Hub, and it says that on it. It's the one that's got the white background and the blue O. This is the one that you will allow through Bluetooth to connect to your phone, allow it to listen to the microphone if you want to use the music response portion of the app. Here are some pictures. On the left, you've got the Obulb Pro S floating in a garden tub, and on the right, the brighter, larger one is the Obulb Plus. And they'll run them through their modes. And I'll let you look at that, and then we will also play a little bit of music, let you see how it reacts. Of course, it reacts to the music on its own. The only thing that I do is give it access to the microphone on the app and select the music. section in the app. Alright, so if you're interested in those, I have no affiliation to the OLIGHT store. I bought these just like anyone else did. I did watch for a good sale, but I got no special treatment here. If these are something that you're interested in, it's OLIGHTstore.com is where you can get these. And if you have any comments on these, comment below, or any suggestions on something you'd like to see in the future. If you liked the video, it'd be great if you'd smash the like button and subscribe for more content. Otherwise, thanks for watching. Cheers.